tonight we are here to mark a very special date. Exactly 20 years ago, Assembly Bill 117 was signed into law. None of us would be here if that had not happened. So I think of it as an opportunity to reflect on the past 20 years and just how big our collective vision has grown as we look towards the future.
AB 117 launched the Community Choice Movement, our revolution, our energy revolution. For that extraordinary act, we honor Carole Migden as our CCA champion. Thank you, Senator Migden. Please come on up.
So I'm very proud of this bill and all of you, and staggered by the fact that 208 municipalities are now using this form of power. This is a time to celebrate and rejoice. I think you've got fabulous leadership. I've enjoyed every moment of being here. I loved every day in the legislature because I knew I could make people's lives better. And it's a great privilege to have the opportunity to make lasting difference.
You know, 20-year marker is important. It's the passage of time. But we heard tonight just how much has been accomplished in that 20 years and what a difference you are all making.
I come from the land of the hippies and the loggers. When we were first starting our CCA up there, people said, you're never going to get the hippies and the loggers to agree on a government program to take over our electricity supply. And I said, watch me. And not because I'm smart or clever or hardworking, but because like the power of the CCA model is that it really empowers communities with local control and self-determination to, impact the climate, to impact the local economy, to impact energy resilience and energy security, and those things cross all boundaries. CalCCA is that glue that brings us all together from Humboldt to San Diego to inland, and with CalCCA kind of bringing us together to speak in one voice, it really gives us the power to be diverse, but to be unified in our impact.
Now, in the United States of America, if you'd told me 3 months ago that we were going to get the biggest climate bill by far in American history, I would have said, I'm dubious. But in fact, we did get the Inflation Reduction Act. We are now in a position where we not only can, but we really have to make this happen over the next 8 years. The natural world doesn't give extra credit for sincere effort. So we have to take absolute full advantage of every opportunity we have. And with so many of these rebate programs running through the states, the responsibility is going to fall on the shoulders of state operators, of the kinds of people who are in this room. To actually get this done, it's going to be act locally. It's going to be communities. It's going to be dispersed actions of people acting together, which is exactly what this room is filled with. It's exactly what Carole enabled 20 years ago. So as far as I'm concerned, this decade is go time. Let's all pretend we're Carole Migden and get it done. Thank you.